In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you a handful of some awesome accessories I would consider a must-have that are available in the market. So if you just got an Oculus Quest, here are the best Halo strap. This one actually has memory foam. Awesome gizmos that allow you to actually play your Oculus Quest even in a low light environment, so you can literally play at night. And some must-have accessories, especially if you are also a glasses owner, that really do and will allow you to actually experience VR as if you never wore glasses before. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover all that and more in today's video, which happens to be sponsored by one of the accessories, and that is VR Wave. If you also have astigmatism, or maybe you are farsighted or nearsighted, VR Waves actually make custom prescription lens for not just the Oculus Quest 2, but they also have it on the HP, the PSVR, and more. I've been using them for over a year now, actually, ever since the Oculus Quest 1 days. And the prescription lens are these magnetic rings that basically just attach on the VR headset, just like so. They're very strong and powerful. There's no fear of them easily coming off while you're gaming. Since headspace is already very limited in here, having to use glasses really did suck. But thanks to this genius engineering solution, this not just gives you the freedom of playing VR games as if you never wore glasses to begin with, but also makes it extremely easy to remove and give it to your friends and family for them to also play and experience the VR without you having to remove the entire unit entirely, when you can just simply remove and place on just like so. And in addition to that, it also protects the VR headset lens entirely. Now these do have a blue light filter, and there's an anti-glare option you can opt for to prevent any eye strain from happening or any sleep discomfort once you're done playing VR. In addition to that, VR Waves are also now offering other accessories for the Quest 2, like face covers, Halo straps, and carry cases. And if you act fast, VR Waves are actually running some holiday promotion, so make sure to check out their website, which will be linked in the description down below, for any upcoming holiday deals, which they do expect to have. And yeah, as a user with astigmatism, this is an accessory I've been using ever since the Oculus Quest 1, and I'm still using today, even on the Quest 2. So the accessories you see on my Quest right now are from KIWI Design, and the ones on my Oculus Quest 2 controllers are actually made to fully protect the controller from any like rough drops and stuff like that. Because if you notice, I removed the strap because I hated this thing so much. This protection piece right here, this black piece, actually has an opening right here for the battery pack, which is quite amazing because they make other accessories similar to this one, but this one actually has this innovation, and the materials from compared to those other third parties that I used in the past, the one from KIWI Design actually is made out of the finest material, because I'm very confident these will last and they won't rip over time like some of the older ones I had on my older Oculus Quest devices. And then this clear piece right here, this is just a silicone piece made out of really fine material because they haven't yet stretched or moved out of its shape. It's staying in place very well. And notice how these two accessories actually fit nice with one another, because these are actually separate accessories and they work really well. So this is what I'm using to bypass that little strap and to fully protect my controller from any cracks or dings that might possibly occur, because that happened to my older controller and many users have reported cracking their little ring part. This is designed to protect this, and in terms of gameplay experience, there's no interference when it comes to its sensors that it has built in. Now this Halo strap is also made from KIWI Design, and this is my favorite Halo strap by far. It actually has a memory foam padding right here, as well as this part in the back. It's super comfortable and a lot more durable and less flimsy compared to the original Oculus Quest head strap, elite strap, or whatever they call it. This is elite in my opinion. And this part back here also retracts, and you could like adjust the size from here. You also have access to this top part, but the original elite strap does not have this cushion part right here. Only this one does. And yeah, it's memory foam and it's really comfortable, easy to adapt. Now this little pod is actually really interesting. Not only does it look cool, it's lightweight, there's no balance issues whatsoever, but this is basically a pill capsule battery pack. I like this battery pack a lot because it's super lightweight. You can use this on the Quest 2, the Quest 1. You could even charge other devices that support USB-C. It has a battery capacity up to 3300 and will give you at least an hour of additional gameplay. And this thing is just really awesome because it's just small, compact, and very inconvenient. You can include it in a travel case, and it doesn't add a lot of weight nor bulk. Now when storing away everything, if I'm not using a travel case, I'm using this stand. This stand is pretty cool. It's very inexpensive, lightweight, and you just simply attach everything like this, and you can even use it as a display piece, which is what I'm doing nowadays. And if you want to charge it, you have easy access to the side port right here, and just run a cable and just let it charge on this cool little stand. And now in terms of maintenance, buy this little lens cleaner. It has a little brush section right here, which I actually use to like clean up any dust or debris that made itself into the lens, like on the edges and such. This awesome tool allows you to clean all that without having fear of accidentally scratching your lens. And then this side over here is what you'll use to wipe any like fingerprints and such. It's kind of like a microfiber cloth. You can even use this on camera equipment too, but these pens are a must-have, and it fits inside the travel case, so it's very easy to travel with. Now, if you like to cast whatever you're playing onto the TV, you definitely want to consider picking up a Chromecast, either a 3rd generation or newer, or even the Google TV stick like this one. Is all fully compatible with the Oculus Quest 2. So if your TV does have a built-in Chromecast or doesn't, and it doesn't support the Oculus Quest, just buy one of these. They're inexpensive, about $35. You can find them cheaper during the holidays, especially. You can cast whatever you're seeing onto the Quest to the television. So if there's other people around, you want to let them see what you're seeing. That's how you could do so. Just cast with the Oculus Quest and it goes into the big screen. Even does audio too. It can get laggy. It all depends on your broadband, but if you have a good solid Wi-Fi connection, there shouldn't be any issues whatsoever. Now this next accessory, this is an IR illuminator. If you haven't got one, get one, especially if you're a Quest 2 owner. This basically allows you to play VR in a dark room, so you can really feel the full VR immersion experience. There's no light leakage or anything, so you really do feel like you're in VR. And if you look through the Oculus Quest, this illuminates a dark pitch room. This is the same technology that security cameras use so they can see at night. This is for the Oculus Quest because it also uses external cameras to accurately track the controller. So this is a must-have, and it's really inexpensive and fun to play in a very dark room, to be honest. Now if you want to step it up a notch and be even more immersive into VR, these are over-ear headphones specifically designed for the Quest 2 because they actually take advantage of that single aux port on the side, and you don't have to fill with any long cables or anything like that. These go on your ear and they sound really good to the most part, where you will actually feel fully immersive in VR. But if you want to step it up a notch and you want to get some good quality earbuds, Logitech actually makes these earbuds. They're made out of finest material, and since they're in-ear earbuds, these will actually do an excellent job in isolating any sound around you. They also make over-ear headphones, but these actually get more expensive, but they're a lot more better quality than these inexpensive ones. So you're getting what you paid for if you go with Logitech's compared to these third parties. But if you just want to go 100% wireless, use AirPods or other wireless Bluetooth headphones you have laying around. There's millions of videos, YouTube tutorials online showing you how you compare that, because that is possible as well as your main audio source. And there you guys have it. That is the quick rundown of all the accessories available for the Quest 2 that I still use day to day to really do allow me to get the most out of this device and play games very comfortably. If you'd like to know where you can find these products, they of course will all be linked in the video description down below, as well as the timestamp. So there, everything is literally a click away. All in all, if you got some good useful information out of this video, greatly appreciate if you could actually leave this video a like, as well as help me out a lot, and get subscribed, especially if you enjoy a lot of tech videos just like this. For more Oculus Quest stuff, check out this video over here as I cover my favorite docking station available for the Quest 2. It's still very relevant too. And then that video over there, that's just a video YouTube is recommending specifically for you. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.